Hola chicos paranormales, ¿cómo están? Hoy les tengo este video para ustedes. Hoy les tengo el Cartoon Dog y Cartoon Cat y sus voces y sonidos. Ojalá les guste estos tipos de videos porque empieza ya. El número 1 se llama el Cartoon Cat. Este gato maniático satánico de que intenta matarlos empieza a hablar, y esto es su voz y su sonido satánico. Ojalá les guste. Mírelo. Bye.
I know how it's all gonna end. It's just a rerun. A rerun of my favorite episode. It's a game of cat and mouse. You're the mouse. And you're gonna run and scream. They always scream. There's always parts being cut off, entrails being yanked from stomachs, bones being shattered to dust. Now, you try to hide, but I am gonna get ya. Yes, I'm gonna get you good. Why, just last night, I played the game with a little girl. She thought I was so cute. She tried to pet me, but I may have bitten her hand off. And she ran, and she screamed. She ran deep into an abandoned mall, and I crept through the shadows, my steps reverberating, giggling to myself, knowing that fear was filling the child, and her cries gave away her position. So, I lunged around the corner. I told her, "You have nothing to worry about. I know I hurt you, but I didn't mean to." I came closer to her. I meant to kill you. And wouldn't you know it, she screamed again. I grabbed her by the leg and swung her up over my head and down onto the floor again and again and again, smashing her face into oblivion. And she bled and cried, and eventually she died. I wonder how you're gonna do, because I am the aberration, the absence of all light, the warping and bending of your reality to make you question everything you ever thought was real. Better start running. That's all, folks.
La posición número 2 es Cartoon Dog. Su voz al fin la encontré y ojalá les guste esta voz de Cartoon Dog. Ojalá les guste, y si les dio miedo dale like y por favor suscríbete aquí en mi canal. Bueno, activen la campanita y escúchenlo. Adiós.
I am a dog. A cartoonish dog. You may remember me, but you didn't remember when I was to be your pet. I wasn't your pet anymore, but now I am your truly worst enemy.
Your flesh seems a lot to me, and someone else needs to be bitten off.
Which is you. You were the one who didn't take care of me. You weren't helpful to me or anything else like it. Those little kids thinking I'm so cute, just like my cartoonish cat. But I'm not a cat. I am a dog. And I'm not a werewolf either. Which means I am a predator of a werewolf. A type of a werewolf, I suppose. The scientist got sick of repairing me. So they just left me like this way. I was an ugly dog of blackness and with white gloves with 5 fingers. You know what I did to him? I bitten all of his body parts off. You know what else what I did to him? I bit his torso and gave him a disease. Now he won't be repairing me ever again. Right here on this dark, cold basement, I have now a place to belong. Now, when I see you once again, you will see what happens next. When it's nighttime, you will be the monster who didn't repair me. That's all, folks.
Si el video te gustó, dale pulgar arriba, compártelo con todos tus amigos y familiares. Dale like y activa la campanita. Por favor, te lo suplico para llegar a más amigos y familia paranormales. Bueno, aquí me despido. Chao y te deseo buena suerte. Adiós.